Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business. It's a mindset that drives innovation and creates value in every aspect of our lives. Entrepreneurial mindset. Entrepreneurship means turning a business idea into a successful venture. It requires planning, risk taking, problem solving, and innovation skills. The importance of creativity and innovation in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship requires thinking outside the box and taking risks. Creative problem solving and innovations are key to success in business. Characteristics of successful entrepreneurs: passions and drive for their business, willingness to take calculated risk, resourcefulness and creativity in problem solving. How to start your own business. Entrepreneurship is the process of designing, launching, and running a new business. It requires patience, hard work, and a solid business plan. Here are key components related to entrepreneurship, starting and scaling a business. Business idea generation. Identifying a valuable business idea that addresses a specific needs or problem. Assessing your own interests, skills, and passions as a starting point for a business concept. Market analysis or market research. Conducting market research to understand the target audience, their needs, and the competitive landscape. Gathering data on market size, trend, and potential customer segments. Business plan. Creating a comprehensive business plan that outlines the business mission, vision, goals, and strategies. Detailing the products or services offered. Target market, marketing plan, and financial projections. Legal considerations. Registering the business with the appropriate government authorities. Complying with legal requirements such as permits, licenses, and intellectual property protections. Funding and financing. Determining the financial requirements for starting the businesses, exploring funding options including personal saving, loans, venture capital, angel investors, or crowdfunding. Operational setup. Setting up the necessary infrastructure such as office space, equipment, and technology. Hiring and training staff or seeking co founders and partners. Business plans and strategies. Business models. Choosing a business models that aligns with your objectives, whether it's e-commerce, subscriptions based, franchising, or others. Ensuring your business model is sustainable and profitable. Marketing and sales strategies. Developing a marketing strategies to reach and attract customers. Implementing sales strategies to convert leads into paying customers. Financial planning, managing financing efficiency, including budgeting, forecasting, and cash flow management. Setting pricing strategies and managing revenue and expenses. Scaling up, developing strategies to grow and expand the businesses, whether through geographic expansion, diversifications, or franchising. Managing the challenges and the opportunities associated with business growth, innovations, and adoptions. staying open to innovations and change to remain competitive and relevant, adopting strategies based on market dynamic and customer feedback. Identifying opportunities and market research, opportunity recognition, identifying gaps in the market and unmet customer needs, recognizing trends, emerging technologies, and industry disruptions that present opportunities, market analysis, analyzing market conditions, customer preferences, and competitions using tools such as a SWOT analysis and pastel analysis to assess market opportunities and threats. SWOT stand for strength, weakness, opportunities, threats. Feasibility studies. Conducting feasibility studies to evaluate the viability of a business idea. Assessing the practicality of the business. Considering factors like cost, resources, and market demand. Customer validation. Engaging with potential customers to validate your business concept, gathering feedback, and refining your business idea based on customer input. Thank you for joining me on this entrepreneurial journey. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.